Hello everybody, welcome back to C&S Corvettes in Sarasota, Florida. This is your buddy Lyle, and I'm going to talk to you today about a concept that applies to just about everything in life, especially business life, but it does particularly pertain to the Corvette world, either when you're looking to buy a Corvette or you're looking to repair or improve your Corvette. Before we get to that, please take a moment to like, subscribe, hit the notification button. Help us out doing that so that we can continue to bringing good content to your front door every Friday. Thank you. Okay guys, today I want to share with you the 3 elements present in any business deal. If you are a business person, you may very well be familiar with these 3, but I want to kind of twist them and turn them a little bit to apply them to the Corvette ownership or buying experience. Okay, so here's the way this works. There are 3 elements to every business deal, and you can pick any 2. You can't have 3, any 2. Those elements are time, price, and quality, and you get to pick 2 of them. So if you're talking about you're going to go look for your first Corvette to buy, and you've got all that emotion and the Corvette fever going, okay? You try to keep this 3-element formula in your head, because if you can be patient, which is hard when you're buying your first Corvette, but if you can be patient, it's going to sacrifice time, but it's going to get you a quality car for the price that you want to pay, as long as you give the process enough time. Conversely, if you want a cheap car today, you can have it, but quality is probably not going to be all that great. And if you want a really nice car today, you don't want to wait for it, you want really good, be prepared to pay for it, because you're not going to get a very cheap price. This is circular, it works all the time however you plug it in. In the Corvette world, for repairs, let's say you want to do an upgrade to your Corvette, you want to do Morimoto LED lights, okay? If you want a high quality part and you want a quick turnaround, you want your car in and out of the shop, it's going to be expensive. If you want quality parts and a reasonable price, you're going to have to give that shop time, because they can't do cheap, good quality, and short time, because it doesn't exist in the real world. And if you want a fast fix done cheap, you're not going to get quality parts or workmanship. So you got to figure out in any situation which 2 things matter the most to you today. One of the keys I will tell you, number 1, none of this works if you aren't an active listener. Whoever you're dealing with regarding your car, be it somebody you're thinking about buying a car from, somebody who might be working on your car, you have to actively listen and process what you are being told. Because if you are in a big hurry, or if your emotions have got you stirred up, you're not going to be processing that information correctly, and you're not going to be able to apply these 3 elements correctly. And of course, these elements apply to any business transaction, but the number 1 killer of that, above and beyond not actively listening to the other party, is emotions. And this is where it plugs into your buying your Corvette really, really hard, because that is a purely emotional choice. Nobody buys a Corvette with a cold heart saying, it's just a car, I'll just drive it. We all buy these cars because we love them. We can't wait to see it in our garage. We can't wait to wash and wax it on a Saturday. But try to keep your emotions in check so that you can apply these 3 elements to make sure you get the best deal possible, the best car possible, and in a reasonable time frame. Go ahead and think on that this weekend. See how else you might be able to apply it to your life. And if you're a shop owner, you know exactly what I'm talking about, and I highly recommend you share this with your customers. This kind of mindset does help a lot of communication barriers fall. It lets people talk on the same level. So that's my wisdom for the week. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. I look forward to speaking to you again soon.